Let's see some more terms. First thing is a myelography. We know the spinal cord is termed as myelo. So here the physician is going to inject a dye and visualize the entire spinal cord. See if there is any pathological condition associated with this. That's called as a myelography. Maybe due to some degenerative conditions of the vertebra or of any other pathological abnormalities like growth of tumor or disc herniation and things like that, or which is typically as we see in herniated nucleus pulposus, what happens is there is a possibility of the disc being bulged and extruded. So at that time the physician is going to do a decompression technique where the affected disc is going to be removed and thereby the pressure is being relieved. So such procedures are termed as decompression procedures. Next is discography. If the same dye is being injected into the intervertebral disc. So we know like every segment of vertebra is being transposed upon each other, and this is being separated over the body by the presence of a disc, which is the intervertebral disc, and the physician is going to visualize each of these discs so we can report the code separately. And this diagnostic procedure is termed as discography.